guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabel. If you are new here, thank you for being here. In today's video, I am going to do the much asked for Amazon haul. I did a post on my Instagram couple weeks back asking what everyone wanted to see. Everyone loves a good Amazon haul. I got you, and I got you. I have a bunch of random stuff. I have jewelry, I have sunglasses, I have scrunchies, the list goes on and on. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell next to my name and you'll get notified when I upload a new video, so you'll be on top of my videos. And let's just jump right into the video. Why wait? So we'll start off with my necklace, which says 1992, which is the year I was born. It was just my 28th birthday. Thank you for all the birthday wishes, by the way. I got so many on my Instagram, so thank you so much. I just love the font of this necklace. I think it's super cute. Let's get close. See? 1992. Adorable and cute, so get one. All right, next are my hoop earrings. I just love a simple, thick gold hoop. I think they just go with everything and they are just cute. So I guess cute is gonna be the name of the game. It's funny because I've been watching so many like stripper vlogs, like stripper day in the life. Like, I don't know who I am, but I watch this girl named Christina and she says super cute all the time. So I say super cute and everything super cute. So what is happening? Excuse myself. I guess my bow is going up. So to continue on the jewelry train, I have a couple bracelets. I've mentioned these before, but I just cannot mention them. So this one, this link, let me put this one on. This link bracelet is like a David Yurman dupe, and I've gotten compliments on it many a times when I've worn it, and it literally looks exactly like David Yurman, and it's beautiful. It hasn't like worn at all. I've worn it a ton, and I love the look of this link bracelet. And then when I was looking for this one, I had found this all gold one, and if you see it up close, don't mind my broken nail, like how ratch. It has like little bumpies on them, so I like to wear these two together and just have like the cute chunky link bracelet look. So these are both from Amazon. They're great quality, super inexpensive, and like I just couldn't be happier with those. Next up, if you're trying to be posh spice, poshy spice, spice posh. Like, need I say more? Amazon. Like, how cute. Even like just for a vibe, you know what I mean? Like if you're just 4th of July, if you're going to a parade, just walking down the street, like you need these glasses. They just make me feel some kind of way, and okay, let's move on. Okay, so I recently discovered, because if you know me, you know me and my fake tan. Loving Tan is my absolute favorite self-tanner, and it's fine to order from their website, but they now are sold on Amazon, which is so nice because I obviously have Amazon Prime. I'm a mom of 3 kids, hello. And so that's just super convenient. I love when places that I normally order stuff from on the reg sell what I like. So Loving Tan, I just wanted to mention that because they're on Amazon now, so free shipping, yay! Okay, thank me later. I've shared this before, but I'm gonna share it again. So this is my scrunchie holder. Oh my god, it has like hairs in it. So this black velvet holder is a bracelet holder from Amazon. It was literally like $10. And this is how I store all of my scrunchies. I just put this on top of my dresser and have all my scrunchies here. So not all the scrunchies are from Amazon, but these velvet ones, I got in a huge pack from Amazon and they're awesome. I love them. They came in a ton of like neutral colors, and yeah, and then a couple other ones are from like Forever 21, but this is like life-changing, even for hair elastics, headbands, like anything. If you need a holder for them, get a bracelet holder. I'll link everything that I talk about. As always, I'll link this exact one. And it's just life-changing. You're welcome. Next up is this sleep mask. This has changed my life. I got this before I was pregnant with my daughter, who is sitting right here. If you hear weird noises, that's her. She's always next to me. So I got this for the hospital, and if you don't have an eye mask, like, you need one, because just for anything to just get the light, you know, when you just want to close your eyes and it's bright and it just like messes you up, you need an eye mask. For the plane, for a train, for a long car ride, if you're gonna have a baby in the hospital, if you have surgery for anything and you're gonna be in the hospital, you need a sleep mask, and this one is just amazing. I'm not gonna put it on because I like took a lot of time on my eye makeup today, but you get the point. I don't need to like try it on, but it's super comfy, super soft, and has like padding on the inside. So I just wanted to give this a shout out. Oh my god, my daughter just pooed her pants like so loud. Did you hear that? God bless. Okay, next up, this is random but like important. These disinfecting wipes, I got a 2-pack of these like randomly. I'm very picky about my disinfecting wipes. I like the Clorox better than the Lysol. These are amazing. I love them. They're super like not wet, but moist. I'm sorry I'm using that word, but they're awesome. I love them. We go through disinfecting wipes like underwear, and well, like, I don't throw away my underwear, but you know what I mean, like, I'm just always going through underwear. Okay, that wasn't right, but like, we got it. So I just wanted to give these a shout out, because if you need, and they're super cheap and like come in a huge thing instead of the little skinny Lysol, like, what's the point of that? Like, I need a ton of wipes, so I just needed to shout these out. So random, but hey, you asked for an Amazon haul. Okay, next up are my ankle weights. So, okay, long story, but 2 years ago, I actually was in physical therapy for my back. I have scoliosis. I have a really bad scoliosis, and after carrying, this was before I got pregnant with Olivia, and after carrying 2 babies and then gaining a bunch of weight and losing a bunch of weight, and also your bones, and your like ligaments can change with pregnancy. There's a lot of like science behind it. Anyways, I had a lot of back pain. So I used some leg weights during my physical therapy, and she recommended me to get some to do my exercises at home. And I just broke them back out. I haven't used these in forever, but I broke them back out because I am currently like trying to exercise daily, and I am meal prepping, which we'll get to in 1 second. And yeah, so I just wanted to give these a shout out. These are 4 pounds each, and even like honestly, I've been just like wearing them around the house just to have extra weight on me. I don't know if that's like crazy, but it like makes me feel like when I'm just like vacuuming and like cleaning laundry, like I have extra weight, like it feels like I'm working out. That might not even do anything, so maybe don't do that, but I just wanted to give these a shout out if you're looking for good ankle weights. I don't know, yay. Okay, so while we're on the diet and working out train, I got new meal prep containers, which are so adorable. They're so nice. So they come in 2 sizes, the smaller and the larger size. So you can put like snacks and breakfast and like yogurt or whatever you want in the smaller ones. And then I'll put like dinner and salads in the bigger ones. So the bottoms are glass, and then the top is like this plastic. Everything can go in the dishwasher, and they just seal really tight if I can like even do it. Okay. And they're just like super nice, and they're pink and cute. So like, these are mommy's meal prep, like nobody touched my pink cute Tupperwares. And I'm sure I'm not gonna meal prep for the rest of my life. So they're just super nice Tupperware. So I just got these to really get me excited to meal prep, and they're really nice quality from Amazon. Okay, like what am I doing? Because I just took this out of the wall because we've been using this the past couple of nights. We've all been stuffed up, and Olivia's bassinet's right there, so she's been stuffed up too. But this is our humidifier that has water in it. This is the pure humidifier. I've recommended it to like a bunch of people and they love it. It comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller one, and then it comes in a bigger size if you're have like a way bigger room, but we're just in this small room. But it's if you need a humidifier, which you should always have a humidifier, it's so easy to clean and just take, like, it's just so simple. There's not a million like divots in it that can get moldy and nasty, because that's a big problem with humidifiers. So if you need a humidifier, I will link this one. It's awesome. It's cool. It puts out cool steam, so 100% recommend this. Okay, and then next, this sweatshirt I'm obsessed with. So there's this super cute sweatshirt that one of these like blogger girls that I follow on Instagram wears, and it says like the Rolling Stones on top, and it's super expensive, but it's this exact print with the big tongue. So I got this in a large to be like oversized and slouchy and comfy. God bless, baby. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's from Amazon. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute, and just like that sweatshirt that I saw her wearing, but from Amazon, and not like $120, because who has time for that? I do not. And if you notice a pillow missing from my bed, it's because, so this is a slip cover. I believe it's a 26 by 26. And it's just adorable. It's super soft with the pom-poms. So I like to get slip covers for my pillows, whether for my couch or my bed, because if I keep buying new pillows, like where am I gonna put the old pillows? Like I don't have a room just to throw pillows in. So I like to get slip covers to put over the pillow, to reuse the pillow, and it's way cheaper to do it that way. So I don't know if you can like see the print. The pillow underneath it is like this like weird print, but you can't see it from like far away, so it's fine. But yeah, I just wanted to shout these out because they're super soft and comfy and cute with the pom-poms, come in a bunch of different colors. And yeah, Amazon. Okay, so lastly, we are going to take a little peek-see at my favorite Amazon purchase, thanks to one of my really good friends, Lauren. We went over to her house, me and some of my best friends, and she redid one of her extra rooms and turned it into a closet, and it's gorgeous. And she had this mirror, and I was like, I'm sorry, where in God's name did you get that mirror? And she was like, Amazon. So let's take a look-see. Don't mind my socks, like goodbye. So look, it's a mirror, right? Okay, we have a mirror. It's just a beautiful, nice long mirror. Great for looking at your outfit and selfies. KK. Then look at this. Like, is this not the best invention you've ever seen in your entire life? I'm obsessed. I put all of my earrings, you can put whatever you want all in there. So much space to store all of my crap. And I'm just obsessed. It was so easy to put together. Literally, you just put the 2 side pieces on and then screw the screw this in. Also, you see a key. It locks. So you can close this and lock it if you have anything super pricey and important in there. You can lock it and take the key with you, which I think is awesome. All right, guys, that is all of my Amazon things for today. I'm definitely going to be doing more Amazon stuff. I get orders on the daily, literally, almost, kind of. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.